Justice Blay will be booked for dissent. It's getting heated here at the TNA Stadium.
That is true. You know, I told you Justice Blay, you know, he was the culprit in this particular encounter, and God knows what a technique. I mean, Asari was completely beaten, but yes, the luck was not on the side of God knows. That was a super try.
Medeama nearly breaking the deadlock here. Still remains goalless, and it's the host with a corner kick in swinging. The header again! Yes! It's a goal! Medeama Sporting Club grab the opening goal here at the TNA Stadium, and the crowd is going wild. And this is what the goal means to them. Kofi Babil with the last and most important touch, and that will give Medeama the lead in the inauguration game here. It's Medeama 1, Kotoko 0.
A super goal. What a way to, open the TNA back. I wonder if it were to be Kotoko who scored. How the Medeama setup will be feeling.